Hey guys, I have been consistently impressed with how long the iPhone 10 lasts. On many occasions, it lasts up to a day and a half. Putting your phone in low power mode will extend the battery life even further, but you can extend the battery life even more by up to 60% according to Apple's insider test. Simply by using black wallpaper or inverting colors to create a pseudo dark mode and by turning on grayscale mode. These extra power saving are the result of iPhone 10 OLED display, unlike the traditional LCD screen which have been pixels that are backlit across the board. The pixels on the OLED display are individually lit. Black pixels are essentially off and not lit, therefore conserving power. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one.